Mate uri kugambirira polisi nagira ngo Omweshongozi Snaazi Atoroboize akana k'emyaka 5 y'obukuru aha 2018 eby'okwezi oku kandi we Robert yahamba k'emyaka 7 nawe ebirondo byo bimwe beitu batwire baburiza ameisho.
After which this one called the two girls who had been left outside when the mother had gone to sleep. This one convinced they called the girls inside, a 5 and 7 year girl, after which he sent the 5-year-old girl away, and he convinced the other one, gave her 2,000 shillings and had carnal knowledge.
Mate nagira ngo n'ekintu kiri kwemura kushanga ngo abasigazi bakuru abakubirire bino bujunanuzubwa ahabana nkaba kandi nibo bamwe abari kubehindurira.
Very uncultured to find a person of this age going with a lady of 5 years. If it is so happened that he did it, it would be very bad. I want to warn our people that they should desist from such lawlessness, or else they will suffer the long arm of the law.
Beitu kandi bo bari kugambaho n'abanyamakuru aha kitebe kikuru cya polisi muri Kabare ababiraba behakine ebiri kubagambaho bari kugira ngo nibenda kubasibaho amatugembuzi ngo bundi engwe zikabarya.
Nebishuba because complainant yajira hano yajyango utimazima ya gamba na CID ya so timazima because utinine comparative.
Omuganda makuru agutwa kwihira polisi Kabare polisi ino mu nkomo Mande Muhammad uri kuteekateekwaho kubanu wahereze byoma ebya muhanda ebiri kutangaza motoka okuruga hanguto zaheza kutunga za butandu.
Manyango tutahatwina okwetomboita ko kugira ngo abantu nibibe byoma ebi hanguto kandi bishemere kubana nibiyamba kwe hare bizibu bya accidents zikugwa ha muhanda nawe cyo tukoziro rutaro twimukizo rutaro rokurwanisa bona abaro kwejumbero mu kwibe bintu by'enguto.
Ariko gambaho no munyamakuru weitu Muhammad ayikirize ku polisi yamukwatsire n'ebyomebi.
Ndi kuronda gasente ndendo muri mutinaza kubuza ibyinje birasinga.
Obwahati abantu aba polisi kwatsire bariyo nibacondozibwaho kandi okucondoza kurawe nibaza kutwarwa omukoti. Amakuru aga gashakwa uzaya tusasire.